Right, I'm going to play this video twice. So currently I'm plodding along. Let's have a see. And up in the distance, just after the bend, I can see a blue flashing light. I can't see what the problem is, so I'm slowing down. I don't know whether you can tell. Obviously everybody else isn't. And then this happens.
On UK soil. It was expected Ollie Robertson would be back, but apparently he could still feel he had an issue when he
So as you'd have noticed, when I'm driving along, I'm on a really, really long straight, clear road up ahead. And we can't see it yet, but there's a broken down camper van a bit further ahead with a police car behind it, and that was the blue light I saw. But as you can see, the banking on the right is probably 2 or 3 foot high, so if you're in a car flying down lane 2, it's very difficult to see round a bend. So I'm just wondering whether the police have located the police car and put these cones out in the wrong place, because as far as I'm concerned, maybe the police car should have been at the end of the straight so you could see it from miles away. And what's happened, everyone's gone flying down, approached the right hand bend, and then at the last minute seen the police car. Let me know whether I'm overthinking it, but obviously that little car was going too fast. I'm just concentrating on the road directly in front of the bonnet rather than looking up ahead. So just let me know what you think. I'm going to play it again in a second. Without me waffling, so just bear in mind how long the straight is. So here we go.
It was expected Ollie Robertson would be back, but apparently he could still feel he had an issue when he bowled yesterday. That is a blow, especially as there are question marks around his fitness and run. Exactly.
Detected event.